Oh, rotten luck. Now I had the hiccups.
Oh no! No, no, no!
Oh, it looks like the phone is ringing. Hello. Oh, hello, Peach.
Hello, Mario. I was wondering if you'd like to join me on a nice picnic down by the Mushroom Kingdom fields.
I would really love to attend, but I have the hiccups at the moment, unfortunately.
Oh, is that so? Well, I know a way of curing the hiccups instantly. In fact, I know too. First, try holding your breath and counting to 100. And if that doesn't work, stand on your head and sing a song.
How is that meant to work? Well, I guess it's worth a shot. Thank you, Peach.
You're welcome, by the way. See you.
Poor Mario.
Uh-oh.
Boy, oh boy. I'm beat.
Hey! Oh, no!
Yahoo!
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Woo! Oh, they're gone.
Oh no! No, no, no!
Well, that didn't work at all. Maybe I should try the other method Peach let me know about. I don't want to have the hiccups. Hiccups, you must go. I don't want to have the hiccups. They make my life awfully slow. I can't go out with my friends. These hiccups are driving me mad. And this method is so stupid. The chance of it working is so bad.
Yeah!
Oh, they're gone. Now I can go back in the pool.
Hey there, Mario, my red-headed buddy. Isn't it a nice and lovely day?
Hey, Daisy, it sure is a lovely day. A very lovely day. Why, I don't think there's ever been a day as lovely as...
Oh!
Ugh, I know. I've had these hiccups all day.
Well, I know a surefire way that'll get the hiccups out of your system in a flash. A simple Daisy Bear hug will work wonders.
Oh, hang on a little minute. I think you've done it, yes. Oh, come on.
But a bear hug always works. I'm sure of it. It worked the last time I had hiccups.
Maybe it's because you're not a bear. Well, that didn't work at all.
Another boy, oh boy. I'm beat. Mamma mia.
Hello, Mario. Hiccup issue, eh? Have you tried holding your breath and counting to 100? Or standing on your head and singing a song? Peach said you should do what? Well, I would listen to Peach. Everything she says is retarded. Here's what you should do. Try drinking a glass of water from the wrong side. That should do the trick. How do you drink these from the wrong side? What's the wrong side? What's the wrong side? How do you drink these from the wrong side? What's the wrong side? So that's the wrong side. Well done, Luigi.
Oh, yeah!
Yes! Yay!
Whee!
Oh, no, please. And these crappy hiccups go away. I have tried everything. And yet these stupid hiccups have still not disappeared. Oh, my God.
One, two, three. Quiet, everyone!
What's all the nose for? You really gave me a fright.
Sorry, bro, but it had to be done.
Well, I didn't think it was funny at all.
How's the hiccups, Mario?
Oh, I can't get rid of a... Wait a minute. They don't...
I said it would work it out. I'm a genius. Come on, everyone, keep the music coming.